Another method for finding fingerprints, particularly on paper, is a substance called ninhydrin. In this tray right now, we have crystallized ninhydrin that has been dissolved in alcohol. We also have a piece of paper that we think there might be some fingerprints on. So we are going to take our piece of paper and we are going to get it soaked in our ninhydrin and alcohol mixture, making sure that it is nice and covered in ninhydrin. Now you will notice that I'm wearing gloves, and that is because ninhydrin can easily stain your skin because it reacts to those same oils that it reacts to in your skin. Once you have gotten a lot of the mixture, you want to dry off your ninhydrin and get the paper nice and dry. Now, following getting your paper dry, there are two options. Option number one that many forensic science labs choose is that they let the paper dry overnight. The ninhydrin will process slowly on its own. However, ninhydrin is also heat activated. By being heat activated, that means that the ninhydrin can also work by using heat, which is what we're going to do to speed this process up once our paper has fully dried. Now that my piece of paper is nice and dry, I'm ready to enter my heat source to see if I have any prints. This is a thermal laminator, the thermal meaning heat. So I'm going to add it, and it's going to slowly suck in that piece of paper. And while it does that, that paper is getting a nice dose of heat. The heat will activate the ninhydrin, thus creating some hopefully purple and reddish colored fingerprints. And we can see it coming out now. Now, at first glance, this doesn't look like it turned out too well. But when we flip the paper over, because remember, you never know what side you might get something on, we see that we got a full handprint. And we can see some detail of the lines on the handprint, and we can see some details in our fingerprints as well. Now, unlike iodine fuming, this handprint is here to stay forever. Ninhydrin does not fade after a period of time, so it is another excellent way to get fingerprints off a substance.